This is the elevator at Macy's at Eastwood Mall in Niles, Ohio. Otis Lexan. And she is still original. Here we go. Here are two. Go to one. Let's get cat view. Still original. Pretty much the same since I was here last time. Last these 3,500 pounds. Here are one. Here's the certificate. Let's go one more time just to hear the motor. All right, here we go. Here are two. Go one. Thing's still running fantastic since I was here last time. So watch the button go out. Here are one. Watch it close. And that's it.